everyone, I'm Coco from the blog, and today I'm very happy to have Aileen here from Supernet, and she is the founding member of Supernet, and she has an amazing background story. Please do share.
Thanks, Coco, for having me today. Hi, everybody. I'm Aileen. I'm the founding member of Supernet. So prior to my entrepreneurship, I was working previously at a lot of big Web2 companies such as Disney and also Netflix, where I drove the growth and also marketing for a lot of the global franchises. And also the first job I entered in Web3 was actually leading the Binance Studio team, where by leveraging content, we were expanding more of the crypto educations and also for mass adoption for Binance as well. So what is Supernet? So basically Supernet is solving a very big issue right now happening in the Web2 AI space, where it's basically all of the AIs, whether it's a model or data or it's actually AI agents, it's highly fragmented.
It is.
So what we're doing right now is building a coordination layer so that all of the AI agents and models and also data can actually seamlessly coordinate together and in a fully decentralized blockchain environment.
Nice. What a journey and what a challenge that you're facing. I bet it's difficult. So what is the help that you can help with? What's the help that you can give to the entrepreneurs out there, the builders out there? And what is the core message you want to convey to the market today?
So right now, because all of the AI tools are very highly fragmented across all the disconnected platforms. So the first step is we're really aggregating all of the AI tools, and on top of that, we're building incentives to really help all the AI builders, all the data providers, as well the users to really come to our platform and experience a very seamless and permissionless building experience. So for instance, some of the core architectures that we are building, number one, our key MVP product we're launching in 2 months' time is basically a product called Super Agent. What you can do with Super Agent is we have aggregated all of the AI models that's out there. It is a decentralized, self-evolving LLM, and users can really integrate with our Super Agent, and also our Super Agent can actually help to execute complicated tasks with a very simple natural language request. So on top of that, we're also building the infrastructure that utilizes deferred transaction, which is a new transaction that improves the intertransactionable transactions for changing the relationship between AI and also native AI and also a blockchain transaction relationship.
I see.
So a lot of the new exciting stuff that we're building, and we're at Supernet, we're definitely very excited to setting the foundation and also the forefront foundation for all the future AI plus crypto integrations.
I see. That's very exciting. So you're mainly attracting the builders to build on the protocol, on the platform. How do people without a technical background can participate or kind of catching up with the development of Supernet?
Yeah, so that's a really great question. So going back to the first product that we're launching, which is Super Agent. Super Agent is actually a to-consumer type of a product. So it's a self-evolving LLM with a machine learning capability. So for instance, Coco, if you want to execute a very complicated task, for instance, hey, you want to launch an NFT collection, right?
Yeah.
So
I can do that.
And so for Super Agent, what we're doing is basically we can mimic your way, your task tree of thought process.
Yeah.
Thinking. So then we break it down into different steps, of how you gonna launch an NFT collection, right? First step, you need to come up with a concept.
Yeah.
So by doing that, you're probably going to ChatGPT 4.0 or you're going to DeepSeek 3.0. But then there's not really a whole entire holistic platform for you to cross compare your results, right?
I see, yeah.
So then like what we're doing is like we break it down into like your concept based on like ChatGPT, here's your options, and based on DeepSeek, here's your options.
Yeah.
And then once you select, you will be incentivized like throughout the whole entire experience. So when you are actually selecting and then engaging with the different options, basically you will be incentivized and then help to improve your personal choices, you know, like for your next like tasks. But then step 2 will be like, okay, well, after you have like the whole entire like concept of your NFT collection, then you need to generate the art. So it's like Midjourney or like you're going to like Sora. And then like third step, like how you going to do the marketing? And then like you need to generate a video content on top of that. And then lastly, oh my God, big problem is like actually you need to start like generating your smart contracts. So then like Cursor or any other like cloud models that you need to utilize. So throughout the whole entire like user journey, super agent will be able to really help you and optimize your options and then like basically give you the executed like results. Hey. This is how you're gonna like launch your own NFT collection next time.
So it's very easy to use as well.
It's very easy to use, and we also like support like basically our open framework is also like supporting all the different like AI builders. If you're just like more advanced builders, not just a consumer, you can still like use our open coordination layer to basically deploy your own like whether it's like model or your data or your like AI agents.
Nice, very good. So it seems to be very organic and natural to bring crypto together with AI. And so you guys are already standing at the forefront of AI and crypto. And where do you see yourself in 10 years?
So I think like right now, like there's a very interesting observation we're having like foreseeing for like AI plus like crypto. Right now it's like still very heavily like economically related, right? Like it's more of like incentives. But what we're building is like basically like this open, verifiable, and composable coordination layer where like we support all the AI builders to deploy, a lot of their products. So what we call it is like AI native, decentralized like applications. So we want to build an infrastructure that supports AI dApps, and that will be like even like more sexy. So every single like AI interactions in the future like can be like recorded and basically on our infrastructure.
Nice. Thank you so much for answering our questions, and thank you again.
Thank you, Coco. Thanks, everybody.